Did I just tell him
Let's
all
start
that?
with a little chat about your childhood. I want you to be as honest as possible. It's important if we want to get to the bottom of your problem. Count to 10 and tell me when you're ready, Susan.
Fine.
This isn't all about whether you're nuts or not, like we said before. It's about finding what has caused how you're feeling now and creating a working solution. In order to achieve that, I need to get to know you.
I have a job to do, Doctor.
Talk about your childhood first. Your parents. When you're a child, your life revolves around them. What was your father like?
Oh, dear Lord.
Did you have a good relationship with him?
I have no freaking clue. Let's go up with
I
that.
was brought up without a father.
I understand he wasn't there when you were growing up. Can you tell me why? What happened to him?
He
Died in an accident. Left when I was little. Yeah,
died
which is
in an accident. I'm
Or
not
keep
sure
it
what
vague.
exactly happened. All I know is that it was a car crash.
I'm actually quite glad I didn't say suicide now.
I was told he died instantly.
Let's talk about your mother now. What was she like? Would you care to tell me about her?
Wonderful.
I
Let's
can't
just keep.
complain. My mum was great. She did her best to make up for the loss of my father. Me and her, we were like best friends, like soulmates. We did everything together. She passed away 7 years ago.
Oh, don't show me that.
A broken heart finally gave up. But she did give me a wonderful childhood, despite everything that happened. I will always love her for that.
Okay, I'm beginning to get a better picture. That's enough about your parents for now. Let's take 2 minutes, and we will talk about something else.
Oh, great. Hey, moving.
I need to get out of this place. I hate hospitals. Besides, I really want to go home and forget all about this.
Fine, don't give me the option then. What is... Oh, band. Okay. Hang on. What? Did I miss something? Sink. Take our lost our gloves. You never know, if I have to kill someone, I need all the gloves I can get. Lock. Probably broken, or maybe it just needs new batteries. Take all. Oh, let's turn it off. Let's not waste water. You know. A skippy time. There's someone inside.
Hello? I guess I should wait my turn.
What the hell was that? Drug charge. Read. List of patient for side room 2. Guess that's me then. I'm a loss of seconds. If it appears, knock out a horse and give me a headache. For a week or 2. Cause of hallucination and paranoia. How bizarre that they want to give me all that. I'm not crazy. I know that for sure. if anyone's crazy here, it's someone who put me on all of this medication for no good medical reason. Find that's true? Oh, flowers. Take. No, I am taking them. I don't like flowers. Especially santiums. Quite. I read that completely wrong. Chrysanthemums. So room 2, I must be keeping the suicidal nut cage in. Yeah, that's me.
Please do not touch these. They are all confidential documents.
Yeah? Well, maybe you shouldn't leave them out on the desk for everyone to see.
If you're looking for something to read, we have some magazines for patients here.
Thanks, but I think I'll pass.
Let's read. Into hospital and is allowed to leave whenever she wishes. Let me out. Yes. I'd like to go home now.
Home now?
Well, so would I. But there are procedures and a system in place. I can't just let you go like that.
What?
Look, I'm very busy at the moment.
Yeah,
I'll
you
come and talk
seem
to
it.
you in a minute, all right?
No. We are not done.
Can I make a phone call, please?
Oh, yes, of course. But the phone's being used at the moment. Can you please come back in 5 minutes? Thanks.
Fine. Give me.
I feel much better now. Can you please discharge me?
I'm glad to hear that.
But no.
But I can't discharge you until Dr. X sees you. He should be doing his round very soon. Please return to your bed and wait for him, all right?
Fine. Nope.
Excuse me. Where's the exit?
It's just down the corridor, ma'am.
Thanks. I'll be on my way then.
Can I see the discharge letter first?
A discharge letter? What for?
Some of our patients are under observation and aren't allowed out of the ward. For their own safety, of course.
It sounds like we're prisoners here.
It's for the patient's safety, ma'am. If you haven't been discharged by the doctors, I'm afraid I can't let you through. May I ask what your name is?
No. Anne. I could say Anne. I know this one.
My name is Susan Ashworth. Can I go now?
If you've not been discharged, I can't let you out, Mrs. Ashworth. I'm afraid there's nothing I can do for you, ma'am. You should talk to the doctor first and come back with a letter and some form of identification.
She's still there. Oh, she's still there. Oh. This must be the patient from side 2. Because she doesn't look confused. Hello?
Hi. Are you alright? Can we talk for a minute?
I can't talk. Please, just leave me alone.
Oh, I mean you no harm. I'm trapped here, just like you.
Trapped? I don't know. It's just so hard to think without it. But you're a stranger. And you're not one of those lovely nurses either. They look after me so well. I trust the nurses like I trusted my mother.
I just want to talk. I need your help.
Unless it's Mother who sent you. Was it her? Please tell me it was her.
Yeah, sure. I'm a good friend of your mother.
I miss her so much. I can't remember you very well, but you should know this. If you really are a friend, you will know my mother's name. The name that haunts me. A beautiful name.
Yeah, sure I do. Now, let me ask you.
What is it?
Oh, well...
What is my mother's name?
Uh-oh. Oh god, there's loads. We've got Joan, Mary, Elizabeth, Maudie, Alice. Sure. Right, we gotta close our eyes and then pick one.
Sarah.
No. If you really are a friend, you will know my mother's name.
Let's do trial and
The name
error.
that haunts me. A beautiful name.
But I know it. Let me just think for a second.
Mary?
No, you're wrong. Leave me alone. Please, just leave me alone.
Okay, hang on. Drug chart. Let's have a look at you, read. Well, her name is Anne Burton. She's taken a lot of sedatives for a long history of drug abuse. Seems on top of all that, she's taken methadone for heroin withdrawal symptoms. Apologising, saying she's actually a private patient who's actually staying out here on free will. Okay, Daisy. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm wondering if there's anything. What we got in here? Oh, there's a bin? I'll take one of these medication pots. Read. You stop writing messages on the mirror while currently experiencing difficulty maintaining high levels of cleanliness due to sudden absence of our cleaning staff. Will be asked the patients to consider it help us board tidy. Bin. Loss of the scarred medication pots. Mirror. Mirror is cracked and a large house. So, if I find it on me, they'll think I'm a complete psycho. But I used to do, I might risk it. Use. Oh my god, are you telling me? Lid. Look at her. Yeah, let's not then. Oh no. Oh no.
Someone is coming.
Have you rang the bell? Is there an emergency?
I feel a bit woozy.
Are I just wanted to remind you that I'm ready to go home.
Oh, is that so? Well, guess what? I haven't forgotten. It takes time.
Oh,
I could lose my job if I don't follow the correct procedures. Why do I bother? I think it's time we give you some medication. Can you please tell me your name and your date of birth?
I have your name.
Are you kidding me? I'm not taking any medication. I'm not ill.
Oh, you should know we are only following the doctor's orders here. You do want to get better, don't you? Now, let me have a quick look at your name band. Miss Ashworth, I strongly suggest you take this, all right?
Are you insane? I'm not taking any medication. I'm not ill.
Okay, we are prepared for this.
Oh no.
Jim, can you come in, please?
No, 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 it's already
You
gone down.
must be kidding me.
Unfortunately, I'm not. I'm going to give you an injection. You'll feel a sharp scratch. Hold it for me, would you?
Oh, so the woman did say, they were, how was it put it?
Go back to your
Trigger.
room and rest.
Trigger happy
You'll
with
be
this
able to
sedative.
relax and have a great sleep.
I can't die. Hello. Something's changed in here. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, weirdness. Yeah, I think it's just let it wear off. I can't die. Awkward situation. Awkward situation indeed. No. Let's try this again.
Drugs have worn off and I feel better now. But I can't let them do that to me again. I need to get out of here.
Oh, I don't know. I don't understand why I can't just, you know. Oops. Why I couldn't just give her the name. Hello, you're still woozy?
If you really are a friend, you will know my mother's name. The name that haunts me. A beautiful name.
But I know it. Let me just think for a second.
Use the shard of glass on it. It starts to hallucinate. Exit the bathroom to continue. You see a red pumping narcotic heart.
Joan.
No, you're wrong. Leave me alone. Please, just leave me alone.
Exit. Draw out, talk to the patient and enter. Exit bathroom, continue. Okay. Right. Hang on. Let's see. We'll do this again. We'll try this one more time.
Someone is coming.
Have you rang the bell? Is there an emergency?
Skip.
I'm feeling a bit woozy.
Are you really? You look fine to me.
No, I'm really not feeling well.
Fine, I'll call the doctor for you. But I can't help it if he's busy and can't get here straight away. In the meantime, I know how to make you feel better.
Oh god, here we go
I
again.
think it's time we give you some medication. Can you please tell me your name and your date of birth?
Susan Ashworth, 24th of May, 1970.
I'm just going to check your name band now to confirm that. That's fine. That's fine. I'd like you to drink this liquid, please. It will help you relax. It will help you relax. That's a good girl. Now, drink it down. You'll feel much better.
Okay.
Now, go back to your room and rest. You'll be able to relax and have a great sleep.
Okay. Alright, so it said necrotic heart. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Use? Okay, so apparently I had to do that. Don't know what else I'm supposed to do with the blood from necrotic heart. Enter? Lie down. Blumph. Blumph. Blumph.
The drugs have worn off and I feel better now.
Okay.
But I can't let them do that to me again. I need to get out of here.
Go, go, woman, go!